Hey guys, welcome back to another quick form video. In today's video, we're talking about a new phone that released on Boost Mobile. So let's get into it. We'll go over it and the specs and the price. I'm gonna warn you, it's not a cheap phone, so it's definitely not budget friendly, but you'll see why in these specs. So just scroll down a little bit. We'll get to it. This is on boostmobile.com. So my.boostmobile.com. So it's the new Edge Plus. So let's go ahead and check it out. All right, so here it is. It's going to be customized phone, of course, the Motorola Edge Plus 2023. And I'm very surprised, and I kind of wanted to make this video because usually Motorola does not make expensive phones, guys. This is definitely like a flagship phone price. It's $849.99. So $850, that's the realm of the iPhone and the best Samsungs as well. So pretty expensive phone. It must have pretty amazing specs for this price. Let's see what it is, because like I said, a lot of people around this price tag, I'm not gonna lie to you, are probably looking to the iPhone or even the Samsung S23. So and like I said, from experience, Motorola has always made budget-friendly devices. That's their little niche market. And usually when they get into the higher end flagship market, it doesn't do that well, because like I said, you're playing with big boys there. So it's an interstellar black. Now, don't get me wrong, this phone does look great. Look at this thing. It's a 50 megapixel camera. It does have, what, 3 lenses and a flash, it looks like. So this is the top, or yeah, it looks like the top. The camera does look like it protrudes quite a bit. So as you can see, it's not flush. So here's the back. I mean, really nice camera. I mean, the phone looks like it's about 800 bucks. I'm not gonna, same thing bad about it, but it does look pretty good. So at this phone price, it does look good. So let's see what you get for this price tag. It's a 6.7-inch screen, so nice. Android 13, newest. 50 megapixel camera, 40 hours of talk time. So wow, big battery. And that's, like I said, one thing that Motorola's are known for is having big batteries. Like I said, I sell a lot of budget-friendly Motorolas, or the Motos, like they say. And usually battery life is the big thing. Enjoy a stunning beauty and exquisite comfort of a quad curved endless edge design. Unleash your potential with industrial leading Snapdragon 8 performance. Find your edge with the Motorola Edge Plus. Ooh. So curved and contoured for comfort. So saying it's basically curved, so it's kind of like the Galaxies. They're curved and it's supposed to be comfortable. So crafted to basically perfection, Motorola Edge Plus is smooth to the touch and fits comfortably in your hand. Anti-glare matte glass provides a silky feel to the back, while Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protects the borderless display against scratches and impacts. Wow, so pretty cool. It does have, it looks like Dolby Atmos, so pretty nice. Does have, it looks like a surround sound, so it does have top firing speaker and probably a bottom one. It says fast, faster, fastest. Blazing 5G speeds, download shows in seconds, stream with less buffer, and accelerate your experience with Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 mobile platform. Wow. So it says strengthen your wireless connection with Wi-Fi 6E and be ready for the networks for tomorrow with Wi-Fi 7 compatibility. Ooh, I don't even know there's a Wi-Fi 7 yet. Pocket Theater, so this is a cool thing. It says for full audio visual immersion, 6.67-inch watch shows and movies on a nearly borderless POLED display, 165 Hz for gaming, scrolling, and app switching are smooth and fluid. HDR10 plus, wow. Blacks are deeper, colors are brighter, and contrast is infinite. Dolby Atmos. Listen with greater depths and clarity to unlock new levels of emotion in your favorite music. Wow. So pretty cool, says HDR 10 plus. So real nice. It does have basically the dual firing speakers. So you get that surround sound, and you do get basically HDR 10, which gives you brighter colors and everything. Underwater protection. So it says your phone is built to withstand exposure to dust, dirt, and sand, along with submerge in shallow water up to 30 minutes. Wow. So that's pretty nice. So the phone is water resistant. It is meant to be submerged. Well, it could be submerged. And for accident, I would say this is more for accidents. Don't go ahead and just dump your phone in the water. Like I said, as well, you probably don't want it to be in salt water. Usually the salt gets into the little crevices and can cause damages. So I would say this is more for like maybe in the tub, in the bathroom, fresh water, something like that. You know what I mean? Triple camera creativity. So it's gorgeous portraits, spectacular wide shots, detailed close-ups, cinematic videos. Ooh, all brought to you by a versatile triple camera system. Infinite possibilities. This is capture sharp details in daylight and bright detail in low light. Optical image stabilization. Keeps your shots shake-free and crystal clear results. Wow. So it does have OIS, which is optical image stabilization. So very nice. If you're taking videos, it'll be super smooth and stable, which is great. Brighter, broader horizon. Capture a wider view as your frame expands to 50 megapixel resolution with an ultra wide angle lens. Wow. So look at that. You can only see part of them. Now you can see the whole thing with that lens. Soft focus background. So basically the bokeh effect. It says let the 2x telephoto lens reveal beautiful facial features as you shoot portraits with a wide aperture and narrow depth of field. So that's how you'll get that bokeh effect around you. Very nice. So it's nice for portraits like they were talking about. So overall, I think this is a good phone for portraits, wide angles, and like I said, it does have a 50 megapixel lens, which is even better. It says see yourself clearly. Low light sensitivity brings you selfie brilliance in any light, any setting. You can also record a high resolution from the rear and selfie cameras at the same time to make your reaction part of the action. So wow, so pretty cool. It does have a nice selfie camera. It does have the normal, standard, and then the wide lens for selfies. So it does look like it'll bring a real nice. Now, like I said, all of this is in writing. We have to really test out the phone. Now, another good thing with Motorola's is that fast charging. Remember I said they're usually budget friendly. They have, what was the other one? They have a good battery life. And then this one now has turbocharging. So it says fuel for your inspiration. Faster than ever, power up with speedy 68 watt turbo power charging, or free yourself from the cord with a 15 watt wireless charger. Oh my god. Stay in the game. Says do all the things you want to do with a powerful 5,100 milliamp battery that holds charge charge for over 40 hours, should I say. Jeez. Then there's other things here, you know, the downloads and all that stuff. So it says stunning quad core endless design, unleash your power. It says connect wirelessly to a TV to play mobile games, make video calls, and use your phone's apps on a big screen. Wow. Industrial leading Snapdragon, the triple camera setup, the borderless display. So it's kind of the same thing we just went over. It is IP68 underwater protection. Here's the specs. So like I said, it does have 6.7 inch POLED Full HD Plus display with 165 Hz, 5100 milliamp battery, Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, Android 13, weighs 7.2 ounces. The camera's a triple high-res camera plus telephoto portrait lens, 512 gigs of memory, half a terabyte. Wow. So it does have a lot of memory. 5G capable, 5.3 Wi-Fi capable, and I believe it says 7. It says Motorola Game Time Think Shield. So you do get the phone, SIM tool, charger, USB Type-C to a Type-C cable, and a manual. Overall, I think this phone, man, for this price, they're swinging hard, and you know, if they hit the ball, which is the consumer, they can definitely hit a home run with this. But like I said, at this rate or this price, a lot of people might, I'm not gonna lie to you, probably go towards an iPhone or go towards, you know, the S23. Like I was saying, that's the only problem I can see with this. If maybe it was priced at $500 or $600, maybe it'd be more enticing. But at this price, it's very hard to compete out with things. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Dragon Warfare sign off. If you want to support the channel, check out the description below. There's different ways you can support me to bring more videos like this to you guys. So thank you, have a good day, and more videos coming your way. And let me know, should I get this phone? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys so much, and enjoy your day. Thank you.